going on, fam? Welcome to the FOMO channel. I'm Mr. FOMO himself. Hopefully I sound a lot better today, guys, than I have been the last few days with my coughs and all this kind of carry on that I've got. Still have a little nagging cough, but it's kind of going away, and hopefully I'll be back to normal. Today we're going to be talking about baked beans, which is one of my favorite things in the world. I mean, I don't just love eating it, I also love rebaking it and compounding the fudge out of it so I can get more baked beans. Now, if you're new to my channel, guys, please smash the sub button. We're on the goal at the moment, 2,500. Also take the time to hit the notification bell as well. Follow me on Twitter. Jump into my Discord channel if you want some early access stuff. I'll try and get early access where I can. I don't always get lucky. So that being said, let's go into baked beans. So baked beans itself has been doing really well. As we all know, it still has a TVL of 9 million. You can see that over there. Look, obviously, like everything in life, what goes up must come down at some stage. They've done a really good job of this, 9.7 million. So it slowed down quite a bit. I know there's massive marketing coming up in the future. So when the marketing actually comes up, that's where the power of this will be. They've started hitting new markets. They're looking into the Asian market, looking at billboards. They're looking at macro influencers and nano influencers. They're also looking at Facebook ads. So all of that's kicking off in May. That's what I know. New community managers coming on board, which is social media community manager, which should be a big help to them. So there's so much stuff going on that makes this a fun project. There's a lot of people will say what they want to say. They haven't rugged. It's still going on. People are still making money. So I'm all for that. Yeah, is it too late to enter? That's totally up to you. I still think it's a good and reasonable project, but your entry is up to you. Please remember that none of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is literally my favorite project, so I'm always going to be shilling it hard. I straight up want to say it. I'm shilling this hard. Yeah, but don't consider it as financial advice. You should make your own decisions with your money, because you're a grown person. Yeah. Anyway, jumping back into it, let's just get the compound out of the way. Oh, we're going to rebake the 2.32 baked beans. So yeah, I'm just going to compound this bad boy here all the way up and see what happens, The contract's still healthy, so I'm not in any kind of panic. For me, it's just, this has been a fantastic project. What else can I say? No other project is even close to half this HTVL, or even in the 2 to 3 million area. So you can have that look on Moonark as well. So if you want to check stuff up, just go to Moonark. It's a pretty cool thing over here. Then go into miners. And it'll load all the miners for you. You can see all the TVL, what's happening. The fees are here. It's been around for 175 days, guys, yeah? That's ridiculous. This one here for 1 day, breaking beats. What's the TVL? TVL's 83,000, the looks of it. Yeah, so it's over there. And let's have a look at Toasted AVAX. It's $923,000, yeah? In the AVAX chain, there's this one in Ruby Miner. Ruby Miner is at 828,000. It's been around for 22 days, and it's already at a -7 loss. Yeah, just so you know, well, how we're dealing with these kind of things. Yeah, this one here is at 126,000 only, which is virus. I don't even know. I've never. Money Tree Miner is another one. Look at that, 3,500. Gosh. Yeah, so there's a lot of these bad boys out there, as you know. This one here is 2,600,000. Roasted beef is the next biggest one at 2 million. There's one at 1 million over here. What's that BSU crop price? The BUSD one's doing really well. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. I mean, this is like a Goliath compared to everyone. So there's so much hate in the thing, guys. I know you guys want to give hate, some of you people, and that's fine, But this. Try to respect the channel, guys. The channel, I want to keep it as positive as possible, so let's do that, yeah, if you can. Anyway, this is a great tool. I'm going to put a link to this tool down there. It shows how much you're earning. Fantastic tool, yeah? Absolutely fantastic tool, yeah. So it shows you how much beans you get for the money you have as well. And this tool is so helpful. So I'm going to put a link down in my thing as well. So if you guys want to use it, you can. It's totally up to you. Yeah, so that's how this tool works. There's all the information regarding this tool here as well. It's created by a dev who I know, and he's a really good guy. So yeah, calculates everything for you. Displays how many your big beans miner, calculates your daily ROI. This tool is absolutely fantastic, yeah. and it's got one for toasted AVEX at the bottom as well, and they've got a verified contract. Sorry, I lost that. Let's go. So let's go into the bakehouse and go into my actual staking. So there's utilities coming out for them. Just waiting for Baked Beans to come out and tell me what sort of utilities these guys have, and then what you can do is unlock your wallet. You can kind of go in here and you can jump in and you can do your stuff that you need to do. Overall, guys, like, I'm waiting for the utilities for the miner, so I've just let that run, and I'm going to just constantly let it run for a long time. As soon as they're ready and willing, then I'll be happier. I just want it to come out. Overall, guys, I'm really happy with Baked Beans. I hope you guys will check out Moonak as well. I think they have some. I mean, Baked Beans have some new stuff coming out. I think just Toasted AVEX has launched, and it's great that it has. Let's not forget that Baked Beans is the daddy. You know, Daddy's got a new child, and his name is Toasted AVEX. Anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, smash the sub button. Let's hit the 2,500. Let's keep pushing, guys. I know I haven't been doing many videos, guys, because I've been super busy, unwell, and you know, I honestly can't find good projects, yeah? And I'm trying to do the best I can to put good projects out there, and I can't find any, so I decided not to do them. All from me today, guys. I have a private Telegram group. Please feel free to jump into the group as well. It's over here. Where's my private Telegram, baby? Right over here. This is the tribe. Oh, so cute, lah. Love it. Yeah, so jump into the group, guys. You guys are the best. Hope you have an amazing weekend with your friends and families. Peace.